welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna make bechamel sauce pasta, that is white sauce pasta in simple language. A few of you requested me for this video, so here it is. The recipe is super simple and very minimal, and if you're a beginner, this is gonna be very helpful for you, so keep watching. I'm going to start by boiling some water. I've taken about 100 grams of pasta for 2 to 3 glasses of water. Make sure you use a good quality pasta. What I like to do is to add the pasta to boiling water and I turn off the stove. This way I can make sure that the pasta is well cooked but not overcooked. I have used penne pasta here. You can use any pasta of your choice. Once the pasta is cooked well, strain off the excess water and add some oil so that the pasta does not stick together. Ingredients you'll need to make the bechamel sauce: some chopped garlic, 1 whole chopped onion, some capsicum, 1 cup of all-purpose flour or maida, and very importantly, you'll need butter. I'm using this garlic butter from Amul. I'm using 3 cubes of Amul cheese. You'll also need some red chili flakes and oregano. Let's check out the other ingredients you'll need to make the bechamel sauce pasta. I've taken 500 grams of boneless chicken, some baby corn which I've chopped. Now let's start making the pasta. In a pan, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of the garlic butter / spread. Add the finely chopped garlic and saute until it turns golden brown. Add the boneless chicken. Also add the baby corn. Add half a teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper and saute well. Now cover it with a lid so that it can get cooked really well. Once it's cooked well, keep it aside and let's start making the bechamel sauce. Add a teaspoon of butter, the chopped garlic, add the chopped onions and saute well till it turns golden brown. Add the chopped capsicum and saute it well. Once it turns golden brown, you can add 1 cup of maida and add some water. Add water little by little and keep mixing it simultaneously so that no lumps are formed. Don't add water in one go. Be patient and take your time to whisk it really well. Keep mixing so that no lumps are formed. Once it starts bubbling up like this, you can add about 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes and oregano. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Do not add too much since we've already used salt in the beginning. Add some pepper and mix well. Now this is the most interesting part. I'm going to add some mayonnaise, which is optional, and I'm also using some cheese. I feel adding some mayonnaise makes your pasta extra creamy, and cheese is obviously used to make it cheesy. Here again you need a lot of patience and you need to mix it really well. The cheese has to completely melt and become one with the sauce. You can see the texture of the sauce now. It's become really creamy and it's become thick and it also starts bubbling up. So now you can add the pasta and gently, very gently mix because you don't want the pasta to break, right? Now give it some time so that the pasta can combine well with the sauce, and then you can add the fried chicken and baby corn and again mix it very gently. Now mix it and let it rest for some time so that the pasta is combined well with the chicken and sauce and everything that you've added. Your bechamel sauce pasta is ready. And you can always play around with the ingredients, like you can add mushrooms instead of chicken and what not.